sirens in Cambridge City right now, so we're going under something. Something's happening. Listen to that, it's over there, but look at that red sky. We're gonna get something. That wasn't the only tornado siren. Come here.
Yeah.
That's why they're calling it right there.
There it is. Look here, Mom.
Oh, good God, what is that?
Yeah, look at it.
That is low.
Look at it. Come here.
That is low. That is low.
Whoa. Yeah.
That is low.
Yeah. Yep.
That one's whistled. No,
Yeah.
Cambridge.
Cambridge is loud. I'm surprised Dublin's not on it yet.
There you go.
Check the news and see if anything's happening.
I'll let you get on truck 59 with that if we don't get blown away.
Cambridge just shut their siren down. There's another one sounds like either Melton or something.
Once you get that on truck 59 or 8 or something, when you can.
I'll be able to send it in to them tonight.
Well, they want to see it pretty quick. Lightning stuff. What do you think you're seeing?
Seeing my modest clouds.
What's that? Come down like that.
That weird thing coming down, I'm not sure.
That's
That's a wall cloud, that's what that is.
They're not. What are they seeing the funnel at?
Not,
Over in that direction?
the funnel would be underneath that lowering, that weird lowering.
So I think that